It is what it do. Live from the 412, we're bringing you Andy's experience. Buckle your seatbelt, sit back and relax, grab your snacks, and get ready, cause we're bringing you that vibe, and Andy's that guy. Here we are, folks. It's Andy's experience.
Hello, Sushi Games. This is our WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Sibling. So this is my next vlogs for you guys because it's kind of different because I'm with my family now. We at this really cool place. It's kind of like a park, but it's a lot of nature. We'll see different wildlife. What's the history of this park and what's going yeah, we'll see what's going on in this place here. It's still, I put this in the description by the way, and I will make funny contact with you guys because I don't know. With my family would be cool to do that. Yeah, and if you're not done with that, I have deals for you. Sushi, yeah! This is really cool scenery here because you see all the trees in here. It's all this in here. And
Look at the pretty flowers.
the pretty flowers.
Wildflowers.
Wildflowers were over here. This is all the wildflowers. It's really cool. We saw seeing that Sushi, yeah. That scenery thing, and it's really cool. And even though done with that, I have deals for you.
Sushi, yeah.
This is a little creek. So we just walked all this. Hey, by the way, in the morning, let's get you Mac, kick off Chris, and hot technical food guy.
Hello.
So with us in the Mrs. School because it's called City here. It's awesome. Hey guys, even though I'm done with that, I have 10 words for you.
Sushi, yeah.
How was that training?
That was fun.
Hey, I know it's Mom's Stone.
So you can't really hold, you just have to balance?
Well, no, you can hold if you get a good grip. Like you gotta
have to
go
pull it
reach
towards
and then
you.
pull it towards you. Yeah.
Mom has to try it, but don't do it.
You're on, you're on.
You're on your own.
Woo.
Woo! Try to help Mom.
That is fun.
Oh, that is fun.
Everybody's got to do it.
Get in, you try to do
I was
it.
just taking pictures because he was videoing, but they're cute, I think. And you have the blue sky.
Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube, you know.
Whatever. You can tell him that.
Oh, the kid is on us right now.
Oh,
we hold
here,
the
give us the
backpack?
backpack.
It's fine, it's on already.
Alright, kid is on it.
I don't know if my
Almost.
arms are long enough.
Yeah, she's 5'3", by the way, folks.
She's 5'3", by the way.
By the way, folks.
She did it. How to squeeze the bunny in. That's a new training.
Woo!
Woo! It's really fun in the woods. And we are going to
I
say
can't really swing like a sling.
sushi.
Yeah!
Here's the King Sushi.
And here done with that. I have this for you. Sushi, yeah! Okay, we're still in the woods. We are walking to the parking lot and the car is driving home. And this is the end of the Nessa vlogs. I do more Nessa vlogs for the guys here because Nessa is cool for the environment over like Hawaii. like well, yeah, we're actually going there in May 11th. So we can fly to Hawaii do a vlog in Hawaii, and then somebody doing vlogs in Simile as well. I love doing travel vlogs with the guys here. Also actual vlogs in here too. So we're going to go and we're going to say Sushi, yeah! Thank you for watching my videos, Sushi Kins, Sushi Nation, and Sushi Blue Sheep. And please, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and don't not notification bell. Now we miss our upload. And please like and post, supposed to be on this channel, please give this channel, and it is business, and the kids too. And please, share a channel to family and friends. And please, follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you're not done with that, I have two words for you. Sushi. Yeah!